My name is Alex, this is my world. My parents were killed from the nuclear explosion and I've been left stranding for 5 years. That, and my pet cat Blocky has been infected by the radiation.
Tag, you're it.
God damn it Blocky, this isn't a fucking game.
Shaw, why do you have to be such a negative Nancy? Thanks to that bomb I can now do things I couldn't do before, like talk.
Come on Blocky, we need to find our 3 essential items.
Get over here bitch, you're no good for us anymore.
What the? I never did anything wrong. I'm gonna tell the people underground on you.
Oh come on, they didn't have to kill her, they could have used her 2 or 3 more times. Come on Blocky, we gotta teach this guy a lesson. Huh, no one ever told me about this hole, I wonder what's under there. Damn, even here there is almost no one, where have they all gone?
Hold up Alex, I see someone coming.
Holy shit, there is no one here and I'm just stuck here. Oh whoa whoa whoa, am I dreaming? If not then I must have found the perfect girl out of the 537 out there.
Oh really, me? What gives?
Alex, he seems to really like you, why don't you give him a try?
Well if your kitty is right, then I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Sam, and you must be Alex, I guess?
Yeah, that is the case. You may have heard about the war, and I'm sure you want to procreate and bring the Earth back to its former grace.
Well yeah, but unfortunately, nobody wanted to fuck me despite the fate of our world, and I'm really frustrated about that.
Well, if that's the case, I say that you both do it.
Blocky does have a point there, so you're up for that?
Hell yeah, this is a great idea.
Looks like I was right, I feel proud of myself. Here, have a blanket, I'll go off and get food, I'll be back.
Sam, what the fuck are you doing? I was just about to finally mate with you but then you took her instead. A fucking sand person? How could you do this?
Well let me tell you something bitch, he is in love with me, not you, that, and your attitude to him is not how one should act to someone who you want to be with for your life.
Oh yeah, if you truly think you're better for him than me, I challenge you to a fight to the death.
Oh yay, if that's where you want to take it, then it is on, whoever wins gets to be with Sam, trust me, you will regret this.
Whoa 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 there girls, we can all settle this like rational people here and talk this out in a mature way, not fighting it out like freaking children.
Oh look, more bitches to kill. Yo Sam, what is your fucking swole ass doing here? Oh shit.
Hold up, I think we accidentally killed someone.
I think it was the vicious woman killer that we just slayed.
Oh yeah, the guy who I saw killed someone earlier before I fell into this hole and meeting Sam.
But HTERE still one problem, we still need to figure out who Sam should be with.
Oh hello, sorry it took longer than it did. I hear there is an argument going on and now I see someone discussing with Alex on who should be with Sam.
Well, I'll be fair, it seems like you two are a fairly happy couple, so you know what, I'll put this beef down and leave you two to go off on your merrily way.
Well hey, she says you two are a good couple, it looks true here to me there.
Well, if Blocky is truly right, then I guess we should truly start a family, since you impregnated me last night.
If this were 5 years ago, this would have been considered rushed, but now, fuck it, we need our population to expand and not die out. We survived George W. Bush, we can survive this.
I agree with you all, this should go well hopefully.
Update, after 9 months of meeting Sam, our baby is finally born. I feel really proud of both him and myself since we are expanding our family after the apocalypse. And from the looks of it, Sam and Blocky seem to get along extremely well here since she was riding on his back.
Oh man, if only I had a kitten baby for myself, but of course, I can't really mate due to the radiation.
I'm sorry to hear that, Blocky, but we can't really do anything about that at the moment.
Damn, cause everything else is going so well right now.
I know, Blocky, it's truly a magnificent moment for this family.
Come on Blocky, go get the football.
I won't disappoint you, Sam.
Infinity cock block.
God damn it Flash, now's not the time.
Can you